Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another Stealth trailer that we just got in stock. This is a 2018 8.5 by 20 CargoPro Stealth all aluminum trailer. This one is in a smooth skin white exterior, so no screws or rivets on the exterior. It's very clean looking in person. You also have the polished aluminum corners, the rounded front cap, diamond plate rock guard, and you guys can see this is also on a heavy duty 6-inch frame, but it's all aluminum. So what that all aluminum frame does for you is cut significant weight with the trailer. These trailers usually weigh only around 2,700 pounds, where your standard 8.5 20 is going to weigh anywhere between 3,000 and 4,000 pounds with heavier axles. So great trailer if you guys have RVs, Class A motorhomes. This is as good as it gets. We've got this extended triple tube tongue, so that's also going to help with the turning radius, push the trailer back for you guys from your truck a little bit. And then the side door does come with the RV lock and a cam bar lock. They also use the upgraded locks, which is what you guys can see right here, so it's a nice feature. Also, you have the aluminum door holdbacks. Another upgraded feature there. Here's your gorgeous smooth skin exterior. 250, 200-pound axles with brakes on all fours, of course, radial tires and aluminum wheels. This one also has the side vents on it, so you'll have a natural cross ventilation through the trailer. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. You also have a transition flap with this unit, which is going to help with the brake coming in and out of the trailer with lower profile vehicles. We're going to come around to this side and talk about the premium side escape door for a second, and then we'll go inside and check out the trailer. So what this does is it gives you guys a huge opening to be able to pull cars and UTVs into the trailer and open up your car door and get out. But the benefit of this as well is this removable fender. Super simple to do. It's literally 2 bolts. You lift the fender off, and what that does is it's going to give you guys an extremely low clearance here if you have lower profile vehicles to get your car door swung open. It's also great if you guys have Jeeps and buggies and bigger vehicles, because it allows you to be able to pull in and drive over the tires. So it gives you that extra room. You don't have to fit your wider vehicle in between 2 fenders on the interior. So really great feature, lots of different purposes, and can benefit a lot of different types of vehicles. This one is also equipped with a Drymax floor. Drymax is the water wicking material that they use. It's an engineered product. It looks like plywood, but it's not plywood. It's an amazing product. This is also underneath the trailer, so it's going to give you guys some more longevity with having this upgraded product underneath your trailer as well. This one also has a dovetail in the rear. You have about a 7'10" interior height with this unit and around a 7'6" rear door opening, so plenty of extra height as well. You also have a mounted spare. This is a matching spare tire mounted and ready to go. 4 D-rings in the floor. And again, great transition here with the dovetail and the transition flap. And then here's a better look at this interior fender situation. So normally you guys can imagine you'd have 2 of these and you'd have to fit between the 2, but this opens that space up for you quite a bit. Vinyl wall and ceiling liner. This one also has a really cool lighting package. We've got 8 LED recessed lights all in the ceiling. That's a big upgrade. And 2 more D-rings here in the front. This toggle switch is going to work all of these interior lights for you guys. It's another nice switch they do. And the back side of this RV lock gives you guys a lock, a latch, and a set of keys that you normally wouldn't get if you just had a bar lock on the outside. So another great feature there. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. If you don't live near us, that's okay. We've got an awesome transporter that runs for extremely reasonable rates, so you guys can call us and inquire about that as well. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe.